Well, I grew up in Roseburg, Oregon. My family was 5 generations in Douglas County, kind of homesteaded the area. Didn't graduate high school. School was not my thing. Always been a lifelong learner though, pretty ambitious. So 24, I started my first construction business. Pretty successful at that, did really well. I was looking to buy my first home and found a house that I really liked with my wife. And the house had some pretty substantial foundation issues, something I wasn't too familiar with, but I'm a pretty handy guy. And I looked around, tried to find the different types of solutions to fix that. And I looked around for the different companies that fix those things. And I was entirely unimpressed with the people who did that type of work. And I thought, you know, this is not the simplest thing in the world, but it's not the most complicated either, but I think there's an opportunity. So I started TerraFirma. And over the next 4 or 5 years, the company organically grew and took on a real life of its own, a completely different culture. I basically got out of everything else I was doing and just focused all my attention and effort on TerraFirma, and it has continued to grow ever since. I think that there is a unique difference in being a specialty contractor. We're very unique, and we have the ability to be great every day. Because we are a niche company, we've been able to develop a list of products and services, and then just a way that we handle our customers and our employees that sets us way apart from everybody else, and that's a lot of fun. At this point, TerraFirma has inspected almost 100,000 homes. We inspect literally thousands, tens of thousands of homes every year, and complete thousands of projects every single year. TerraFirma's core services are structural stabilization, repairing a foundation, waterproofing and water mitigation, humidity control, that's controlling the humidity that causes mold and other issues inside of a home, concrete repair and stabilization, primarily with our injected polyurethane foam. It's a pretty unique technology, and we are by far the market leaders anywhere in this area. Everybody, I think, has maybe a little bit different definition of integrity. We do what we say we're going to do. We are human, we are fallible, we make mistakes, but we embrace mistakes, we love them, and we own them, and we work our butts off to fix them. It's one of the things that everybody that works here, from entry-level production guys all the way up to senior leadership people, they get to come to work every day knowing that the whole company is going to work together to solve whatever problem, and we're never going to turn our back on a customer.